Hey everybody, we're gonna have some fun with this Pioneer Arms Sporter. This is my new one with my new wood furniture from Arms of America. Just a regular standard old sight on it, guys. What do you guys think about the Circle 10? I've been thinking about it. I haven't looked into it yet. I know a lot of guys think that this is supposed to be on there, but it's not. This little nipple or boot here is actually to protect the charging handle during shipping. I leave mine on, but I know there's some other options out there, like the Circle 10. If you guys have it, what are you guys' thoughts on it? And do you guys leave this little rubber boot on your charging handle, or you guys take it off? This is the American Beast right here, guys. The AK-47. The best gun ever, 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 ever. I don't care what anybody says, guys. The best gun. This is the most popular gun in the whole entire world. Second in the United States to the AR-15. Let's go take the head off this target, boys. Oh yeah. Let's go see that head. Guys, I know a lot of guys that never shot an AK. Guys, you don't know what you're missing. I swear to God, you don't know what you're missing. You think the AR-15 is fun? This thing is so much funner. Oh yeah, not bad. We got some nice shots right there. Couple throat shots, couple to the neck. But if you guys see my video, I had a bunch of other crap that this gun came with that I didn't like on there. I took it off, got this beautiful wood furniture set from Arms of America for, I think it was $114. One of the best decisions I ever made. I absolutely love the new look on this gun. I love the look, the feel, everything. It's got a rail here for an optic that I haven't got yet, but I'm going to get it. But I know it doesn't have the classic handle on there, but this is the Hogue handle. I love it a lot. It makes the gun feel, it's just it's a beast. There's nothing that can stop this gun, guys. For my AK guys out there, they already know. This is what a beautiful, beautiful gun. AK-47. This one I was aiming kind of right to the dead center. We'll see how we did. Like I said, I haven't shot it since I put the new furniture on there, but I'm still shooting left. Man, it's crazy. All right here, got a couple in the middle, but a kill shot regardless, guys, right? Let me know what you guys think. You guys like the new look, the classic look I did, or you guys like the all decked out the modern look, the Magpul look and all that? Got a couple of nice guns out here, a couple of AKs, a bunch of pistols. My 20-acre property up northern Michigan. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend. Go Detroit Lions!